I am a creature of the northern lights. I am one with nature. I will only show you. You can become a creature of nature like me. You'll see.
Hello my sweet bees! Today I'm gonna do a look all about nature, and I've made me a headpiece thingy that's not too hot with this weather, because it is freaking hot here in Belgium, and a shoulder piece and a flower for the chest. I'm not too much gonna use paints. I'm gonna try to do it all with eyeshadows, and I really hope that I'm not gonna be fried by the end of the look. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my face, and I'm gonna put you back a little because maybe if I don't, you won't see what I do, because I always dive into my mirror and back, and I never am in the image where I have to be. And by the way, I have a ring light, an automatic ring light, and I don't know which light will be the best for the colors. I think this. And now let's see what that does, because it's the first time I'm using a real ring light. I'm not gonna start with primers or anything. I have sprayed my face with setting and base spray. So my face and body should be happy enough with what it gets from that. I have no inspiration, I have no reference picture. I'm just gonna do something that I don't know yet. We'll see. Ooh, my contact lens is saying, it's too hot. I wanna go out. I wanna be in my jar. In fresh lens fluid. I know water, you know water. It's come so far with me, people. Now I'm even talking to a contact lens. I'm gonna stop doing that. Might be a good idea. I'm gonna blend green tones with each other, and maybe here and there the color of flowers in it. I don't know yet. What I do know is that I want to go wide open. That's not so bad. Even if I say so myself, it's not that bad. Now what am I gonna combine with that? I'm gonna start with white shimmer there. As I think that is pretty. And I'm gonna fade that onto the light green. I love that already. I really do. I like that. Now, what am I gonna do next? Let's see. I want to have a little bit more shimmery green under the eyes, so I'm gonna take a pencil. And as you see, it makes it a little bit more dark and a little bit more shimmery. Maybe you don't see the difference, but I do, and my hairband is even saying, I'm not staying on your head, it's way too hot. Can you blame him? I'm also forming something that looks like a brow, but very fine. That's giving a total different look. And now I'm gonna just go with the flow. You'll see what I do. I'm gonna make it bad. That gives such a beautiful glow. I think I'm gonna do my whole forehead with that. The dark I might use, I'm gonna try. If it's not good, I can wipe it off. Now, I think I'm gonna go more for a yellow in the center. And I was thinking of taking something more like this, maybe, but I'm gonna be shimmering all over the place then. I'm gonna use it as my highlight first. I'll just take any bigger brush and I'll use this. It's very strange because it's white, yellowish, and it's pink on the face. How weird is that? I'm gonna try the yellow. Now I'm gonna line all the lines on my eyes off with all separate liners. Someone's gonna sing a song for us! Yay! And it's a special one! That music from the neighbors is so freaking loud, it's unbelievable. That's way above the limit of the decibels that are permitted, but it's so fun for them, and in this heat they can better have some fun instead of working against their being very unhappy, I mean, with this weather, because it's terrible. So I think let them have a little bit of fun and sing while they work. Now, I've got my makeup, I think, a little bit like I should. Now I have got this 3D drops that are normally not used that often because they are very hard to know how much you can give pressure on to the bottle to not have a blob instead of a little tip. But I'll try to make them decent. Instead of being sticking on a bunch of glitters, I'm gonna take this off. I don't care, it's just too warm to keep that stuff on my head. What I have to do now is put a color all over my shoulders and chest area. And I was thinking about a green like that, but if I'm gonna take a green like that, I'm gonna use a palette that I don't want to have empty from the first time I use it. So my best beloved palette here I'm not gonna use. I can better take this old one, the shimmery one, which I was using anyway, and maybe with a big brush just go through the colors and see what it says. I don't see a lot of green. I'll just do my neck with this and my ears maybe. And then I'll search for an alternative for the rest. Oh, look at that. Woo! I'm just gonna go in there with a brush and make myself green. I think I'm turning green. And I'll try to take a bit under consideration where it's highlight and low light and darkness and brightness and stuff like that, you know? And the rest is gonna be gluing on. Just my lips I gotta do. I know it's not sticking very well. Maybe I will have to add some lash glue. So let's see if it really wants to stay that way. I sure hope so. Because if it does, I am saved by the lash glue. Let me see. I have made me a flower that has to be glued down very, very, very well, and this is absolutely the very, very last of this tube. I can add some latex too. That's gonna be better, I presume. And that has to wait. This I really like. It's very, very pretty. I think I need some mascara. Now I'm gonna take some real shimmer, take it on my finger and put it in the center of the eye, because that really makes it what I want it to be. And I will take new lash glue to put on my lashes. Lips. I want to use my beautiful newest green lipstick, which is this, because I love it. That color is so bomb. Now the only thing that's left for me to do is put these lashes on completely. Put on my headpiece, put on my shoulder pad. So all I do is lengthen that little bit, that itty bitty bit. Now what I really would like or wouldn't mind doing is add a little bit of black to my lower lash line so that you better see that under eye area. And I will even make a little wing only on that lower lash line. Only there. Great. Love it. Really love it. I am going to change my contacts. And I don't know, am I gonna take red, white, or black? But I think with this look, red might be the best choice. Because I have these red flower theme top thing going on here. And there is red in my thing. That'll come on my head too. This is my shoulder pad, which I will have to glue down very well. And I'm gonna have to put on my headpiece and other lashes. So when that's all done, I'll be here with my final result.
This is the final result of this look. And I hope you've enjoyed watching me become this creation from up north. I really want to thank you all for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, press this. Give me thumbs up. Put some comments down below. Ring the notification bell to see whenever I upload upload a new video. And for now, I want you all to know that my love for makeup is spread all over the world.
And that I really want to thank you all for watching this tutorial with me. Thank you. And I'll see you in one of my coming videos. So for now, bye! Mwah! Sorry for the craziness, but that's just me.